How to fix WhatsApp desktop app not working in Windows. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can fix WhatsApp desktop app not working in Windows. So let's get started. First thing that you need to do is simply click on your Microsoft Store and then you got to search for WhatsApp over here. So simply type in WhatsApp, press enter. And then if the application is downloaded, like you can see it's installed, you can simply uninstall the application and then you can install. So what you got to do is search for WhatsApp in the search bar and then you got to click on uninstall over here. So simply click on uninstall. And once it's uninstalled, you can simply install it again from the Microsoft Store. And once doing that, your issue would be resolved. However, if the issue is still there, you can search for WS Reset and then you can run this and you can reset the Microsoft Store. And once you have resetted the Microsoft Store, you can head over to Microsoft Store again and install the desktop version of WhatsApp and your issue would be resolved. However, if the issue is still there, you can go to the search bar, type in app. So what you're going to do is search for apps and here you're going to search for Microsoft. Now you can see that here is Microsoft Store, so you're going to click on it and then you'll be able to see Microsoft Store appear here. So what you're going to do is simply, upgrade your Microsoft Store to the latest version. You can modify and upgrade it from the official website of Microsoft on Google, and doing so will help you, resetting your Microsoft, and then you can install WhatsApp again and your issue would be resolved. So that was how you can fix WhatsApp desktop app not working in Windows. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.